So yesterday, we removed your snow. You might notice now, I'm in a tree, because we also removed those too. You also notice that there's no fucking trees left in my yard. Pan around the yard, Dad. Just branches, but I got back problems, so I can't lift up everything. Now, check that out back there. That's the tree graveyard, where trees go to die. So if you need trees removed, my face, Dan, my face. If you need trees removed, call this guy. I'll give you an email address, but not my phone number. Check it out below. Tree too low. Should've worn gloves. Yeah. Oh shit, I hope that wasn't Dad's firewood. Or too high. Okay. Or too high. Oh! Cut it, Dan. Or too high. Do I got it?
Yeah,
Tell me when I got it.
you got it.
Ah. Or too high for Nick to deal with. So email me at, what email address should I use? zaherogaming@gmail.com, or check me out on Twitch. Take care, boys.